Speak English podcast with Aysel and Abdel Rahman. Let's learn.
In our last episode, we talked about why your English stopped improving, even when you study every single day. We explained the difference between study mode and flow mode. We showed you why isolated vocabulary kills your fluency, and we introduced the rhythm shift method. If you have not watched that episode yet, go watch it first. The link is right above this video, because everything we do today builds directly on that foundation.
In that episode, we diagnosed the problem. Today, we fix it. Today is the practical session. No theory, no concepts, just real English chunks, real situations, and real practice. By the end of this episode, you will have 12 chunks ready to use in real conversations starting today.
Welcome back to Learn English with Aysel. I am Aysel.
And I am Abdel Rahman, and I am officially switching from study mode to flow mode, starting right now.
Before we start, 3 rules for this practice session. Rule 1, do not translate. When you hear each chunk, do not look for the Arabic equivalent. Feel the situation. Feel when you would use it. That is enough. Rule 2, say it out loud. Not in your head, not silently. Out loud, every single time. The physical act of speaking is what moves a chunk from study mode into flow mode. Rules 3, own the rhythm, not the perfection. We are not going for perfect pronunciation today, we're going for natural rhythm. Say it the way it feels, not the way it looks on paper.
Okay, 3 rules. No translation, out loud, rhythm over perfection. Got it. Let's go.
Category 1, expressing understanding. These are chunks you use when something makes sense to you, when you learn something, when you get it. 4 chunks. Listen first, then say it with me. Chunk 1, slow. It just clicked. Situation. You finally understand something after struggling with it. Someone explains English grammar to you, and suddenly, everything makes sense. You say, it just clicked. 2 more times. It just clicked. Your turn. Say it like you mean it. Chunk 2. I can't wrap my head around it. Situation. Something is confusing or hard to believe. Your friend explains a complicated English rule and you say, I can't wrap my head around it. 2 more times. I can't wrap my head around it. Say it like you're genuinely confused. Chunk 3. That makes total sense. Situation. Someone explains something and you completely agree. Not just I understand, total sense, full agreement. That makes total sense. 2 more times. That makes total sense. Chunk 4. Now I get it. Situation. The moment of understanding. The light turns on. Now I get it. 2 more times. Now I get it.
Okay, I'm already using it just clicked in my head to describe this entire session because literally it is clicking right now.
That's flow mode. That's exactly what we're building. When a chunk appears in your mind before you decide to use it, it's already yours.
Category 2, expressing progress. These chunks describe where you are in your journey, how you are doing, how you are growing. Every English learner needs these, every single one. Chunk 5. I am getting the hang of it. Situation. You are improving slowly but steadily. Not perfect yet, but moving forward. I am getting the hang of it. I am getting the hang of it. Use this next time someone asks how your English is going. Chunk 6. I still have a long way to go. Situation. You are honest about where you are, humble but not defeated. I still have a long way to go. I still have a long way to go. Chunk 7. I have come a long way. Situation. You look back and recognize your own growth. I have come a long way. I have come a long way. Chunk 8. I am working on it. Situation. Someone asks about your English. Short, confident, real. Not, I am studying English. I am working on it. I am working on it.
These 4 chunks basically cover my entire English story. I have come a long way, I still have a long way to go, I'm getting the hang of it, and I'm working on it. That is my life in 4 sentences.
And now, those 4 sentences live in your body, not in a flashcard. Category 3, keeping the conversation alive. This is the category most learners completely skip. They focus on starting conversations, but they never learn how to keep them going. These 4 chunks are conversation glue. Chunk 9. That's a good point. Situation. Someone says something you agree with or find interesting. You do not need to add anything. This keeps the conversation warm. That's a good point. That's a good point. Chunk 10. What do you mean exactly? Situation. You didn't fully understand, and instead of nodding and pretending, you ask naturally. What do you mean exactly? What do you mean exactly? This chunk alone will save you from 100 awkward silences.
I need this one tattooed somewhere because I've been nodding and pretending for 2 years.
Everyone has. This chunk ends that habit forever. Chunk 11. That's interesting. Tell me more. Situation. You want the person to keep talking. You're curious, you want to hear more, and you need a few extra seconds to prepare your next sentence. That's interesting. Tell me more. That's interesting. Tell me more. Chunk 12. I know exactly what you mean. Situation. You relate to what someone said. You've been there. You understand completely. I know exactly what you mean. I know exactly what you mean.
These last 4 are like social tools, not just language tools. Tell me more keeps the conversation alive. What do you mean exactly saves you from fake nodding. That's a good point, makes you sound engaged. This is actually social intelligence in English.
That's exactly right. Language and social skill are the same thing in real conversations. You can't separate them. And now you have 12 chunks that handle both. Full review. All 12. Fast. No explanation this time, just the rhythm. Say each one with me as fast as feels natural. Category 1. Understanding. It just clicked. It just clicked. I cannot wrap my head around it. I cannot wrap my head around it. That makes total sense. That makes total sense. Now I get it. Now I get it. Category 2. Progress. I am getting the hang of it. I am getting the hang of it. I still have a long way to go. I still have a long way to go. I have come a long way. I have come a long way. I am working on it. I am working on it. Category 3. Conversation. That is a good point. That is a good point. What do you mean exactly? What do you mean exactly? That's interesting. Tell me more. That's interesting. Tell me more. I know exactly what you mean. I know exactly what you mean.
12 chunks, 3 categories. All of them lived, none of them memorized.
Now let us put them all together in one real conversation. Abdel Rahman, you meet a colleague at work. She asks about your English progress. Use as many chunks as feel natural. Ready?
Ready.
So, how is your English coming along?
Honestly, I've come a long way in the last few months, but I still have a long way to go. I'm working on it every day.
That's great. What specifically are you working on?
Mostly conversation, trying to stop translating in my head. My teacher explained this concept about flow mode, and honestly, it just clicked for me.
What do you mean by flow mode?
That's a good point. It's hard to explain. Basically, speaking without thinking about grammar, just feeling the language instead of analyzing it.
Oh, interesting. I've heard about that.
That's interesting.
Tell me more. Have you experienced it?
Actually, yes. When I speak my native language, I never think about grammar.
I know exactly what you mean. That's the goal, to feel English the same way.
That was a perfect conversation. Every chunk landed naturally. None of them sounded rehearsed. That's flow mode in action.
And I didn't translate a single word. That felt completely different. 12 chunks, 3 categories, 1 full conversation using all of them. The rhythm shift method in action. That's today's episode.
Your challenge this week. Pick 3 chunks from today's episode, just 3. Write them on a piece of paper. Put that paper somewhere you see it every day, and use each one at least twice in a real conversation this week. Not in your head, in a real conversation. Then come back here and tell us, which 3 did you choose and how did they feel when you used them? Every comment gets a reply. Every story matters.
My 3, starting today, it just clicked. What do you mean exactly? And I've come a long way, because they're all true.
If these 2 episodes together changed how you see your English learning journey, share them with one person who's stuck on the same plateau. They need to hear this. Thank you for being here. I'm Aisel.
And I'm Abdel Rahman. In flow mode, finally.
Stop studying, start flowing. See you in the next episode.